So welcome back everybody into another backtesting session. Let me start the timer. Okay, so we're going to start a new simulation because the other one, I want to also change the time period. Maybe we got a very volatile, a very good and specific time. So I want to go and choose a new one and start a new simulation. So as always, we're going to choose a random date. It chose the same one. Basically, we started in March of the same year in the other one. Yeah, so let's go with another one. So 4th of October 2023. So let's start new simulation on gold. And we said it was October 2023. I've not downloaded the 2024 yet, so okay. Anyway, okay, let me just update the, yeah, so at least we have a little bit more. Okay, update this, good. So let's do it again for this one. So at least we have a little bit more of data. And we said from the 4th, right? 4th of October, very good. And so that's it. Pip size 100, lot size this one, 500 of leverage, fix 100 pips, 1 pip, 1.2 pips of spread. This one, okay. So that should be good on the 1 minute chart and the hourly chart. Okay, so we should have both of them. Yeah, so let me go here. So this is the hourly. We are around 1800s on the 1 minute. Let me go there. Okay. We said that we are around 1800, so we should be around there. Okay. Very good. Of course, now let me just do a little bit of tweaking because we have to pre-London. So now we are in October. I think we already had the time change. We risk whatever percentage that is, maybe a 2. We have 15 pips. I don't know if I need to use a 15 or 45. Let me just, okay, sell limit. Okay, so yeah, that's a 15 pip and that's a 45 pips of TP. Yeah, that's is good. And the spread is good. Yeah, 1.2. It's a this is one pip, so that's good. So we're going to start. So now what do we have today? Let's focus on mainly the USD news. Okay, so okay, we're coming in the first week of October, and you know that the first week of each month it's the NFP day, and on a Wednesday, which is today, we have the ADP. It's coming very early. We also already had the JOLTS opening yesterday, so came out very good. So I think we're going to see that we had a drop yesterday, which is here. So yeah, we got a drop. Look at here how nice it was. This is the idea. You have the drop, but I think that maybe that would have been quite rough. Yeah, basically 9-10 pips of drawdown, and then more than around 43 pips. So not really a win. Anyway, today we have the ADP, and we're going to see the actual reaction. But let's have a look at on the hourly, because this hourly is the old one. So it's looking quite good, I would say, but I will want to adjust it. Okay. This one, I like it at the candle close over there. And yeah, because no, these one are the key levels. Okay. Delete, I don't care. So let me use I want to use this one, this one, this one, and over here. So 1, 2, 3, and 4. This one for the session/day should be good enough. Otherwise we have these. Otherwise we have these. Okay, I don't think we have anything on the downside. Yeah, from here even. So let's just, these are the hourly PSAs. It's also quite big. It's we can use that a little bit thinner because otherwise it's just a pain in the eyes. Okay, so let's have a look at it. Okay, so now, of course, now this is pre-London. Remember that. Let me also save it. Gold 23. Okay, and so yeah, let's have a look at what happens here. This is pre-London. If there's not an extreme volume, we can use a 10 to 30 pips thing. Let's just have a look at the price action. So pre-London, okay, we are now breaking below. So let's see. We don't have much of volume yet. It's not like crazy volatility. What we might have as a trade idea is, after seeing this breakout, is having a possible sell limit. Was not that far away. Okay. Nope. Okay. Have a sell limit around there. Or maybe if we see that the candle are closed over there, maybe even taking a manual entry. That's something that I want to study and backtest. So let's just have a look at how it goes. If we have a retracement, okay. Otherwise, we're going to wait for the actual London Open to see some volume. Okay, we have now, we are 15 minutes away from the London Open. We have this price action that is forming that I would love to take advantage of. It is looking quite nicer than the, I mean, I will not now use this PSA, not even this, but yeah. Can I do 7.5? No, right? 7.5. Yeah, it's about 8. Okay. Oh yeah, that's good. Over there, 10 pip, 30 pip. Okay. What I was saying is that, okay, maybe we see this. Maybe I take a manual entry at this candle close if I don't want to get skipped. Not that I don't want the sell limit to be not triggered. So, but I think that, yeah, with this candle is going to get triggered. Very good. And so let me see. This one I want it in stop loss and pips. I wanted to have a break even at 20 pips in profit. And let's have a look at the rest of the price action. Okay, 1 minute candle got stopped out. Very nice. And let's see now. Let me remove this. The London Open. So now this is London Open. Very good increase in volume. I wouldn't use that PSA anymore, but yeah, let's have a look at the following price action. Okay. So now we're seeing a spike, a bullish momentum after price reacted more at this candle close rather than the actual lower wicks, which is where I had my PSA. Just have a look. We're just going to see if we're going to continue pushing up, because this candle was very strong, but then it also closed quite weak. So maybe we are seeing this possible retest happening. Let me open these. Maybe we are seeing this kind of price action happening, but we might also be seeing a retest of this hourly PSA and then the pullback for the continuation down, if that's the case. So let's have a look at edit. Okay, so far it looks like it was a retest of this area for possible continuation. If we see, if I see this, can I place a buy limit a little bit closer? A little bit closer at 6, yeah, around there. And 20 pips in profit. Okay, you see now I'm betting on one side of the direction, but we might be seeing what I was telling you, that we are retesting this area for a possible then continuation down. So let's see, just see what happens. Okay, and I like the consistent momentum, bullish momentum, and we are close to be at least at break even. Okay, stop loss at break even, yeah, and then that's a TP hit. We might be going even to those highs, which is around 45 pips. Okay, but price might be giving us a second chance of entry over there. The thing is that I don't really like that, because we have very close, around 8 pips, the other PSA. So I would prefer to see these, instead of taking this entry, I would prefer to see a clear breakout and then a possible retest either here or a full retest to these lows. But I want to see these PSA, these highs on the left hand side to be cleared. But yeah, we can see. Let's see. Now, this is also the end of the first hour of the London session, so there's no really rush to trade, to take further trades. I'm still seeing a bullish momentum. This is something that I used to, something that is tempting me to place a buy stop over there for possible continuation bullish, because we are seeing a concentration of bullish momentum over there, which can be easily a rejection, or it can be a nice strong breakout. We're not in a strong volume time, so I'm not really trusting that, okay, if we break above, we're going to have at least 20 pips of one candle. It might be, but we're not in a high volume time, so I'm not really expecting it. It might happen, but I'm not expecting it. And yeah, and the price action is also showing us a correction. We can see that the price is closing below these lows, so that's where we could have a sell limit placed very close, yeah, around there, around these lows, for a possible correction down. It's quite tricky because it's only like 13 pips to retest this one, so it's either a manual break even at 13 pips or yeah, because it's just a bet of, okay, we're going back into the range. So I don't even know if I want to take it. Actually, I will skip it for now, but let's see. Okay, 13, yeah, exactly what I was saying. This was the reaction that we didn't want to, I mean, we knew that it could happen. So I would have either placed that break even at 15 pips, or as you said, stay away from it. Also, something that maybe I need to do is that this is a 50% correction of the whole way from this full movement, or it's a 75 from this area where the last impulse came from. So I think I would have, I mean, this was a buy situation. Okay, now let's see if I retest this area, which is also the hourly, that's where I can have a buy limit situation rather than a sell limit just for the downside. So that's, I'm good that we didn't take it and that we are analyzing all this, the whole situation. Now with this momentum, I like to see either a break above, or if we are seeing another rejection, then we're going to wait for the New York session. Yeah. As you can see over here, this is what I was saying. We can have a breakout, but it's not going to be that much. And yeah, even a retest over here, this would be okay, but would still only be like 14 pips, because there's not enough momentum, not enough volume in the chart right now to have a clear breakout from this PSA. So just better to wait for the New York session, which is coming in a couple of hours. We can also skip and go directly over there, or we can, since I also want to train my eyes for these low volume times, because I will still be looking at the chart. I want to see what is going on and see if there is also any further trade idea that I could take advantage of. I like that we are still repeating this pattern. So we are doing the same. So we are possibly breaking below and going to retest this area. But I think that is more likely that this price action is going to repeat itself, so that we can see this reaction again, and maybe stay in this range for the rest of the session up until the ADP report. Okay, not even. So let's see. So for now we are in this range. There is no direction. I mean, you see that it's not there is no direction, and yeah, we can happily go fast and see, unless there is some clear unexpected momentum and pushing up, we can wait for at least the pre-New York. So now we are doing pre-New York. We are 1 hour before the actual New York session open, and now we can see. So we know that on the left hand side there's a lot of noise, and there is no clear hourly PSA. Around 1825, yes, that's, I mean, but you can see from the hourly chart how messy this area is. We can probably have like an area that if we break above this high, this line, let's just say like this, then we have more space. That is a space that is clear. Well, but yeah, waiting for this area to clear out before taking any entry. But yeah, let's see if we see on the lower time frame some clear cut momentum and bullish volume. This would be the retest of this PSA, even though yeah, it's just a random PSA and it's not. We saw that this one was a fake out. But if we do not consider that, we can see this as a possible PSA for a retest. But also remember that we are facing now exactly this rejection. So we can either do that or wait for the price to break above, retest that, which is a retest of this area, but also a retest of this top wick. And let's see how is the price action treating us. Okay, this is a breakout. We can possibly have a buy limit if we want to take a buy limit early on, even if it's we are waiting for the actual New York session. So I want a buy limit, not that close, of course. How far are we? Around 11 pips. Buy limit, yeah, over there. Maybe 1 pip above if we want to be sure that it gets activated. Okay, this one on the 20-tick chart, it's a PSA in itself. So that's where we might see, if the price is meant to continue, we might see the retest to be happening over here rather than to these lows. It's something that it's tricky because it's, I mean, we are like treating the 1 minute as a 20-tick chart, and I'm not really sure if that's what I want to do. Of course, I will trust this PSA more. So let's see with the following price action. Okay, we got activated. 20 pip, we go to profits, and now we want the price to continue up. We are still far away from the actual New York session. Okay, I don't like this rejection around 15 pips, and I don't know if since it was a PSA, I want it to go at break even, because if I see a rejection over there, that's likely. I don't know, that's if it's not breaking above, then it's unlikely that it's going to make a new high. But if I just want to let the trade run and I don't want to interfere, because maybe now we are rejecting this area. I don't know what the next candle will be. So then maybe I don't want to interfere with my trade. Yeah, you can see because we can have everything. So let's see if now we have enough juice to at least go to at break even. There you go. And we're coming 10 minutes before the New York session open. So now you can see we are rejecting this area. So now, since we have some news coming soon and we are possibly rejecting this area, this is where my dilemma comes in. My dilemma is, should I take, as a scalper, just take these 20 something, 25 pips and be good? Or should I risk and have this take profit, which is completely discretionary? It's completely just because it's a 30 pip. It's not because I am trading any, it's not because it's respecting any market structure. So what do? I don't know. Yeah, also now we are further rejecting. Yeah, probably we'll go to break even. So I don't know. Yeah, so in this case, after seeing this further rejection, then yeah, maybe it's like okay, let's take it out, or take out. Yeah, we can take it out because it will go to break even. In this case, is matching the. I mean, it's just because this is completely arbitrary. If this range was 30 pips, then I would have left it there, and we're coming into the New York session open. So let me just grab the screenshot because that was the trade idea and it's looking nice for the possible thumbnail. But yeah, apart from that, we have a possible. Let's see now the start of the New York session, and with the actual ADP coming in 14 minutes. So let's see now. Yeah. Okay, so now we have the ADP. It's coming very, very bad. So it's coming 89K compared to the 150K expected, and the previous one was 180K. So what does that mean? That means that we're going to see a push up with the very next candle. Yeah. And now where do we want a possible retest to happen, since we are very bullish as a fundamental bias? So we have this hourly PSA that we can take advantage of. So we might want to see a retest of this hourly for then price to continue up, or we might want to see the retest of this top week on the hourly, which of course is going to be, let me go on the 1 minute, is going to be this one, because if we update that, okay, did I update this? This one can be deleted. Okay, yeah, you can see how, yeah, the top, this one is exactly the top week of this hourly. And okay, so I don't know if I want, probably replace the buy limit over here compared to this hourly, as per my sensation. Okay, but we are seeing strong rejection. Let's see. Okay, if this one was to push up, then I will consider this as a PSA. So let me just use a 15 pip and a 45 pips, because in this case I want to risk, I need to give it a little bit more space, even though the PSA is quite okay. But with this volume, yeah, we can also use a 1030. I mean, it's not like we have made 100 pip of one candle. This is just a 50 pip candle. So a buy limit, yeah, would be exactly there. And yeah, I will love to get it activated with this candle. I don't know about the next one, but I like to get in with the first stop. So let me delete these. Would you get activated now? Okay. I don't think, right? Yes, okay, so let me, nope. Buy limit, okay. I don't know about the next candle, but I want to get it activated on the first stop, and I don't know about the spread now. So yeah, 10.30 for me, is working fine because it's actually covering the last highs. 10 pips is not like here, so that's, if it was here, then it would be quite rough, but I like this price action and I will let it go. Would have been activated even over there. Yeah, got stopped out, and then it's probably pushing up. So I might give you another chance over here because the price went down, wanted to grab more liquidity. We're talking about 60% from there or 75 from the start. Yeah, so that's okay. And let's see, if I want to get here, give you another chance. Let's see. Okay, I want you to keep pushing. Okay, and we got stopped out for the second chance either. So that was just a rejection of the hourly PSA, and that's okay. It's just a fake out, and I don't know if it's going to probably continue down or what. But we took our trades and trade ideas. Looks like we might possibly making a support over here, but I would not really just take trades and trades and trades. Okay, yes. So this was the possible for the good trade idea. Now we're coming at the 4-hour close. Let's see if we're going to continue pushing up or what. Let's see on the hourly how it did react. Yeah, we're close with a strong rejection. And let's see with the new, also with the New York Stock Exchange, if we're going to create some clear market structure. Let's see if we're going to break below these lows. We might have this range to take advantage of. But we might be stuck in the range. Let me risk one. Okay, did we get activated? No. Okay, yeah, but the trade idea is good. So let me. Okay, yeah, that is what is happening with me with my live trades. So yeah, let me just enter and close these. So let me go 1 minute, 1 minute. Okay, close the sell limit. Very good. That's our sell, and we have our auto break even at 20, and then the TP is at 30. Okay, very good. So as you can see that we got back our couple of losses, and yeah, we took advantage of the New York Stock Exchange volume. So that's good. That's quite good. The thing is that it's quite difficult to know where to actually place the sell limit because yeah, it was quite rough. And yeah, we're probably going to continue seeing a push down, continuation down, at least maybe to these lows or even to the hourly. So let's see how it continues. Okay. We also have now, we have some news. We have the ISM. Oopsie, sorry. I want to go in the past. Oh, okay. We had this one, but yeah. ISM just coming out. Factoring orders better than expected. ISM better than expected. And a little bit worse than Empire. So we might be seeing a push down due to this news because the factory orders are good and the PMI is still above 50. So mixed volume, but yeah, might be seeing a bearish push, but yeah, it's already 15 minutes after that. If we didn't see a break below here, I will not trade it. Okay, yeah, it's looking like a wedge being created. When I see a wedge, I always see like a possible sell stop for a quick buck, but that's might not happen. Yeah, you can see how it is completely doesn't make any sense. We are fighting against the support. We're now breaking above these highs. We didn't have any retest, I would say. Just want to see this 1 minute candle. If we gave any retest of this PSA, and it actually gave a little bit, but yeah, not much. Maybe it's going to now. Wow, that's interesting because we are probably at a rejection area. So this is around 75% of that, yeah. But also we are possibly after facing this rejection, which is exactly at these lows. Yeah, look at, you can see how we are exactly at these lows. We might have the continuation up. So here you have a very tight range where price can go either way. Price can be rejecting to continue down, price can push up. So it's quite risky to take a decision. But here, yeah, this one could possibly be a nice breakout, and yeah, this, if we retest, we might see the continuation up. Yeah, you see that's the retest. That's a 29, 26 pips move. Okay, yeah, but if we go to break even, because of course now it's late, but that's the idea. You can see how that it was very good. A little bit unlucky, but yeah. Okay, so let's go into the following day, which is a Thursday, and it's the Thursday before the ADP, the NFP. Okay. A little bit of a stretch. Oh, very good. And so here it is. We don't have any news usually on the morning. Yeah, so we are waiting for the unemployment claims. And maybe usually during the morning there are GBP or Euro news rather than anything that can affect heavily gold. So now let's see. Let's close this. Let's go on the hourly. We are still rejecting this area, so it is proving to be a very good area for possible rejection. Let's see. Okay. Let's see doing the first part of the pre-London. Okay. This is a tricky one. Low volume, maybe we don't want to risk it. Maybe we don't want to risk too much. We risk 1%. If we just want to place a sell limit, we're around 8 pips away. Okay. Yeah, it keeps pushing down already. We break below these lows. That's where we can have a possible further trade idea. So to possibly have this one like this. So now how far away is that? Yeah, basically this is basically using a smaller PSA. Yeah, might be good. Okay, let's see if it continues down, keeps pushing down. Okay, 11 pips, low volume, might take a while, yeah, but as long as, yeah, right now we are safe and we get our win. Very good. We risked not too much. We don't want to risk too much in a pre-London session, so that's okay. And it's actually now, this is the London Open, so we might see tapping the hourly and then push up, or we might see the continuation down to fill this range, because now on the hourly we also have this quite relevant PSA that we saw got respected multiple times. It's a bit of a big range because it's a sensitivity area for quite a big range. I mean, the low of the week, but also the candle close. So now for now we place that and the candle close, but let's see. So let's see with the start of the London session where the volume continuation is going to be. I'm not really looking for a retest of this area. I mean, it already happened. If we just go back to this one, yeah, it's breaking down, and then this one is the retest. So if we see the actual continuation down, that was it. But I'm not really trusting this PSA against this volume. So we might see the bounce from the hourly. We might actually see this to hold and push down. Yes, but I would then prefer to take advantage of further trade ideas. I would not really trust this to hold because I don't know, I don't trust it. Yeah, okay. So now what do we have here? We have these lows, we have these highs. Okay. Now we're possibly breaking below, but where would I place the sell limit? I would prefer to have breaking below there. Yeah, in this case, yes. So let me just this hourly, it's a little bit too big for my liking. Okay, so yeah, after seeing this break, I might have a sell limit placed there. Yeah, there. That gets activated. And now I am betting on the full continuation of all the way down over here. So it might go back to these highs because it's a low volume time, but apart from that, we're just risking it. Okay, yeah, it doesn't matter. It's not an issue. Yeah, for now, as you can see, we are rejecting at these highs, as I was saying. So that's okay. This is, I mean, we are 20 pips range. We might have the possible continuation, but now, for example, for my style, I am now, okay, but now why should I take it to trade now? Maybe it's going to continue range, yada, yada, yada. Yeah, for now, the game, I have had no temptation because there was no clear price action, but yeah. I mean, if you go back and see this, that's what that could have happened. So anyway, let's see. I see some bullish momentum, but there's candles, yeah, quite rough. And yeah, I would just wait for the New York session, I would say. I like this retest of the hourly before pushing up, but still we are not talking about, it looks like big ranges, but it's not that much. Okay, this can be a possible trade, just like that. I don't like that it is so high, so I will place a buy limit. How many pips? Yeah, I want it at 4. Yeah, around there. Okay, yeah, not liking it. Boom, rejection. Oh, likely. I see that price is failing to go back above this PSA, so that's okay. But we only risk 1%, so that's fine. Yeah, and now let's see the New York session open with the jobless claims coming in clutch. And okay, 820. Now we have this PSA for possible breaking above, breaking below. I mean, this entry would have been 30 pips by a few. Then we got this one. Okay. So yeah, this entry was right. Yeah, only around 5 pips. And so yeah, let's see in 8 more minutes. This is a tempting one. but it's just before the news. And you see the news, jobless claims, better than expected. A little bit worse than the prior, but better than expected. So we might see the continuation down. Okay, yeah, you can see how we had the continuation. So let's see if we have anything, any entry that we could have below these lows. Yeah, we got a retest in that 1 minute. I mean, we are talking about 7-8 minutes after the event. So spread is okay. And yeah, we are seeing the prices breaking below. We got a retest. So you know that on the 20-tick chart, this is a retest. So we can have a possible trade idea. So let's go back. Here we have this. What I'm saying is that when we see this candle staying there, and we are basically at the candle close, that's where we could place a sell limit over there. You can see that still the what's the word? The ranges are not that big. It's not like we're not doing an NFP or anything. You can see that a 10 pip stop loss is absolutely okay. And let's see. Okay, already at break even, and we got the huge spike in volume and a continuation down. I mean, that would have been in a 1 minute candle, would have been a 50-60 pip. So now we have this retest. What is retesting? Now we have this old like old hourly PSA, but we might also see a retest of these PSA. So now that's quite a because I don't know if I want to take this retest or wait for this retest or wait for this retest. So what do? I want to place it over there. So let me place a sell limit where it's 25 pips away. So let me see on the 1 minute, the very next candle. I'm ready to miss this opportunity because we might see a red candle immediately after this one pushing down. Yes. But I want, if that's the case, I want to see it break below for further continuation down. Otherwise, I would love to see it retest there or retest there. Okay. Okay, yeah, mixed, very mixed price action. This is the new 4-hour candle. Okay, yeah, very mixed. Let's see with New York Stock Exchange opening. Yeah, this looks like that we are going to get the last retest. Do we want to give it a shot? 10 pip. Yeah, loss. Yeah. Lots of price action moving around. Anyway, let's go into the NFP day, and we're going to jump straight to the NFP. We're just going to have a monitor at what happened during the London session, and NFP is coming in. Yeah, London didn't happen too much. We had this price action, but yeah. Anyway, let's see where are we on the hourly. We are ranging over here. We have this. Yeah, this PSA, but I think it's exactly this one. Yeah, on the hourly. Okay. And let's see what is going to happen with the NFP now. 5 minutes. Okay. We add this PSA. Okay. Anyway, NFP coming extremely good. Unemployment rate as previous one. So I will guess that price is going to melt down. Okay. And let's see now. Yeah, we have this PSA, which is quite relevant. Has been quite relevant as per hourly candle closes. We add some lower wicks, but let's see if it's going to break below its own lows. Very good, straight pushing down. Now you see that now it's possibly retesting this hourly, and then fill the wick. So we might be seeing this price action happening, but that's quite risky just to take it just randomly at this level, because we might see the retest of this one all the way back up to this one. Yeah, if we, for example, have a 15, 45 pending, but I mean, I'm talking about 45. Yeah, something like that. Yeah, I don't know about here if I want to risk it. Yeah, that will be already 25 pips. Yeah, no, 30 pips. So if that was the case, after seeing this, is about having 1, 10, 30, 4, like that. Okay, I see this. They got activated. Nope. So yeah, let's go back. Yes, break even at 20, and then TP it. Wow, then huge, strong. I mean, that's why we wanted to just fill this range. It's a 40 pip range, because now anything can happen. If we break below these lows, then it's okay. Now there's a chance that we can take the opposite side of the trade. It's the new 4-hour candle open. Yeah, 11 pips. Oopa, sorry. And yeah, we can possibly see the correction. So in that case, that would have been a 15 pip stop loss with a 45. This one would have been activated. So let's see. Bam. Let's see if this one would have been activated. Jesus. Okay, would have been activated over there with a 15 and 45. Let's just see how it will go. Just for curiosity. Damn it. It will bounce from the hourly for the continuation up. Yeah, in hindsight, you can see how I missed this one. I was talking about with the new 4-hour, we might be retesting this, but price actually gave us the opportunity to enter here. We broke and we tested, and then yeah, that's something that I missed. That would have been a 47 pip. Okay. Now price is correcting the whole move. New York Stock Exchange is coming. And yeah, that's New York Stock Exchange is opening over here. We are leaving these lows, this possible PSA. Okay, possibly, yeah, we are retesting it. So we place a buy limit over there. Okay. Yeah, 10. 10 should be okay, actually. Okay, and the TP it's a 50, it's at 30. So we are already at break even. We have the TP at 30. Even though that's the case where price, if it's breaking above, then it's very likely that it's going to continue at least to 45. So, okay, yeah. Or at break even, so that's okay. Full correction. Are we now continuing down? Wow. Yeah, this breakout is interesting because we're retesting this area, down by limit. That doesn't get activated. Okay, auto break even at 20. Okay, 26. Let's see the reaction at these eyes. Nice. Trust you, I trust you. Yes. And we're back. Very nice. I trust. Okay. Very nice and interesting continuation of the price action. And yeah, we have the possible continuation above. Very interesting. You can see how we have this retest. Boom. Yeah, whatever. Anyway, up 16 pips for the first few sessions. We started on the 10th. We started on the 4th. It's now the 6th, so 16% in 2 days. It's good with also quite a few losses. So I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you next